channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you decided to click on the video and stick around and be a part of the Time with April family, well then thank you so much. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. Your support means everything to me. And if you want to be a part of the Time with April family, then go ahead and hit that subscriber button. And don't forget the notification bell, and that's just going to notify you every time I upload a video. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my homemade granola. You can have it for breakfast, you can snack on it during the day, or you can sprinkle it over some ice cream and have it for dessert. It is super easy and delicious. And if you want to see how I make it, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start off with 3 cups of rolled oats, and make sure not to get the instant kind. I'm going to add 1 cup of raw chopped almonds and 1/3 of a cup of flax seeds. I also have 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of raw honey, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And also 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. So in a baking dish, I'm going to go ahead and add the rolled oats. And I'm also going to add the almonds. And also the flax seeds. And I'm just going to take a spoon or a spatula and just make sure that everything is mixed together evenly. Now I preheated my oven at 350 degrees and I'm going to let it bake off for 15 minutes. So after the first 15 minutes, I'm going to take it out and just make sure that the oats and the almonds and the flax seeds are toasted evenly, and I'm just going to mix it together and I'm just going to bake it off for another 15 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to take a medium bowl and I'm going to add the coconut oil, the honey, the vanilla, the cinnamon, the sea salt, and the brown sugar. And now I'm just going to take my spatula and just make sure that everything is mixed and combined evenly. So after 15 minutes, this is what the rolled oats look like. They got a little golden brown, which is perfect. I definitely didn't want them to burn. So now I'm ready to add the wet ingredients to the oats, and by this time, you guys, you're going to smell this amazing aroma. And I'm just going to take a spatula or a spoon and just make sure that all the oats are coated really well with the wet ingredients. So I'm going to bake my granola again, so I'm going to put some parchment paper on top of a cookie sheet. And I'm going to spray it down with some nonstick spray so that it doesn't stick. Now it's time to add the toasted rolled oats, the almonds, the flax seeds combined with the wet ingredients onto the cookie sheet. Now I'm just going to take my spatula and just make sure that everything is spread out so I can have one even layer. I reduced my heat to 275 and I'm going to bake it off for 10 minutes. So I reduced the heat to 275 because I don't want the granola to burn. So I'm just going to take it out and just mix it around just so that everything is baked evenly. And now I'm going to put it back in the oven and let it bake off for another 10 minutes. Now that it's out the oven, you want to let it cool down completely, and as it cools down, that's when it's going to get nice and crunchy. Oh my god, you guys, this granola is so delicious, and I'm going to enjoy mine with some fresh berries and some vanilla yogurt for breakfast. So that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know, and if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to see another video, then go ahead and click that box you see on the screen. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.